Hello. In this lesson, we're going to use some words to describe different parts of the day. Morning, afternoon, evening, and nighttime. It's sunrise. It's the morning. What do we do in the morning? Do we get out of bed? Do we brush our teeth? Do we have breakfast? Can you think of other things that you do in the morning? Oh, now the sun is fully out. It's the afternoon. I have my lunch in the afternoon. What do you do in the afternoon? Do you come back from school in the afternoon? Can you think of the things you do in the afternoon? Oh, look! It's sunset. The sun is nearly gone. It's the evening. What do you do in the evening? I eat my dinner in the evening. Can you think of things that you do in the evening? Now the sun is completely gone and it's very dark, but the moon is out. It's night time. What do we do at night time? Do we read a story? Do we listen to a story? Do you go to bed at night time? Good night. Sweet dreams. Don't fall asleep. You need to have some practice. I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.